Welcome to the Duckfield Show. Watch this video with the brand. You're gonna be laughing all the way through. Let's rock out with our ducks out. It's time for the Iron Man Duck Show. Let's quack it up.
Iron Man Duck here to bring you another how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text bigger on your chat for your Twitch or anything in general. So let's get to it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your Twitch. Once you open up your Twitch, you're going to left-click on your profile. Once you left-click on your profile, you're going to go to Creator Dashboard. So you're going to left-click here on Creator Dashboard. Then you're going to go to Stream Manager. Okay, and you're looking at this chat, you're like, it's so small, I can't see it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to hold the left control button on your keyboard, the left control button, and then the middle roller in your mouse, you're going to scroll it up while you're holding that. Look, it's getting bigger. Now I can see it. If you go backwards, down, oh my God, I can't see it. Left, it goes up. And this will help you if you have trouble seeing your chat or whatever, to make the chat really big and more user-friendly to read. So I hope that this has helped you out, and this is how you do this. Have a good day, and see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Here's some videos you may want to check out. Remember, those who care about you accept you for who you are, and those who don't need to be in your life. Till next time, Duck Love Flex. Keep bringing the sunshine.